I'm all about mashing two recipe ideas together. I'm gonna mash toasted ravioli with bruschetta. Let the mashing begin. Let's dump some 5-cheese ravioli in some boiling water. We're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in the pan, use a slotted spoon, and scoop them in the pan, the bowl. I'm just gonna make a super quick bruschetta in the food processor. I've got some tomatoes from the garden. I'm just gonna put in there a handful of fresh basil, 2 spoonfuls of minced garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. And I'm just gonna blend this for about 1 to 2 seconds. For the toasted ravioli, in a bowl, I need a cup of breadcrumbs, tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and a half cup of grated parmesan. I'm gonna mix that all together. In another bowl, you need 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup milk. I had leftover heavy whipping cream, so I'm using that. Mix that together. So your ravioli is gonna go in the egg mixture, followed by the breadcrumb mixture. And then after that, it goes right into your air fryer basket. Okay, I'm gonna put the basket in the air fryer, cook them at 375 for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna flip them and cook them for an additional 3 minutes. They look nice and toasty. Now I'm just gonna add on some of that bruschetta sauce to the top. There it is. It looks wonderful, especially with that fresh veggies on top. Let's try it. Wow. This is a perfect meal. I just love the texture, and I just love how that cold bruschetta mixes so well with that hot ravioli. What do you call pasta that's been blessed? Ravioli. Ha!